Congress, yung Duterte allies po are pushing po na i-open yung investigation sa flood control scandal. What's your take on that?
I think it's a battle of narratives, right? And they just want to take away from the impeachment. So I don't want to say namumulitika, but you know, it's just again a question of narratives.
Pero do you think dapat lang i-resume sa Congress or hindi na, tapos na?
Alin po?
Yung investigation ng
My stance on that from the very beginning has been the same. The institution should not investigate an issue wherein its own members are part of the accused. That's like asking a student to grade your own paper in an exam. Diba? Kahit anong magiging resulta ng pag-iimbestiga, kung i-resume sa lower house, ang sasabihin ng tao is, sangkot naman yung tao dyan. Wala kaming tiwala sa report. So let's leave the ombudsman and the necessary bodies to do that to do that themselves.
Sa message to those allies na paulit-ulit po hindi tinutulak na isa natin ulit yung flood control scandal investigation.
Wala po akong mensahe para sa kanila.
sir, baka meron in the context na yung Davao pinabahal.
Ano po?
Ang Davao,
Pinabahal yung sila yung nagtatawag na
No comment. Grabe ka, nag-iintriga ka ha?
Sir,